Ever wondered how to handle emergency roof repairs? Well, you're not alone. This is a common concern for many homeowners. Today we'll be delving into simple, easy-to-follow steps to manage this scenario effectively. Imagine waking up to the sound of dripping water, only to find that your roof has sprung a leak. There's no need to panic. The first step is always to minimize the interior damage. Move furniture and other valuables away from the leak, and use buckets or containers to catch the dripping water. Now it's time to identify the source of the leak. It could be a missing shingle, a cracked flashing, or a hole in the roof. Remember safety first. If the roof is steep or the weather conditions are not favorable, it's best to call a professional roofer. If you're confident enough to find the leak yourself, use a garden hose to simulate rain and pinpoint the exact location of the leak. Once you've found it, mark the spot with a waterproof marker. The next step is to apply a temporary fix. Roofing tar or a roof patch can be used to seal the leak temporarily. Apply the tar or patch generously over the leak, making sure it's fully covered. A word of caution here, these are just temporary fixes. They are not meant to replace the professional repair that your roof might need. As soon as possible, contact a professional roofing company like RonOvations to inspect and fix your roof properly. A professional roofing company will assess the damage, provide an estimate, and carry out the necessary repairs. They have the experience and the tools to do the job safely and efficiently. Remember, regular roof maintenance can prevent most emergencies. Inspect your roof regularly, especially after heavy storms. Replace damaged or missing shingles promptly, and keep your gutters clean to prevent water buildup. So to summarize, in an emergency roof repair situation, first, minimize the interior damage, identify the source of the leak, apply a temporary fix, and then call in the professionals. And most importantly, don't forget to maintain your roof regularly to prevent such emergencies. That's it for today's video. If you found this information useful, do give us a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such helpful tips. This is RonOvations, helping you make your home the best it can be. Until next time, stay safe and take care.